Recently on our program, we talked about pyracantha or firethorn and told you about how its fruit was the primary source of color for the plant. Well, we have a native vine that also has a very showy fruit color. And this is it right here, kind of growing wild on this evergreen euonymus. This is the coral vine, also called snail seed, also called the Carolina snail seed plant. And it's called that because the seed inside these beautiful little red berries has the shape of a snail or a nautilus, kind of that curled up appearance. Gives it its wonderful name of the snail seed. But these are a wonderful native plant. It's a woody vine. It climbs by just kind of twining or twisting around everything, and will overwinter these parts of the vine up in the plant, so it doesn't have to start at the ground each season. One interesting thing about this plant is the shape of its leaves. They're highly variable. You can kind of see them down here. This one right here sort of almost looks heart-shaped. These are getting ready to fall off because they are deciduous. Right back here, this leaf, if you use your imagination a little bit, sort of looks like the outline of an elephant. You can kind of see the ears, like if you were looking at an elephant straight on, the ears and the head and even the trunk kind of coming down there. An interesting characteristic of the Carolina snail seed. These bright red berries will persist through the winter for a while, even after the leaves fall. There's several species of birds that will feed on the berries, and they actually do a lot of the planting. They'll eat the berry and then they'll go somewhere to land and then drop the seed and it'll start growing. So sometimes we see these in fence rows growing up on shrubs and things like that. It would make a very nice ornamental native vine. These are actually dioecious plants. That means they have female flowers on one plant and male flowers on yet another plant. So you'd have to find a female plant to give you that really good show of the fruit. But wonderful native, colorful vine, the Carolina snail seed.